Hello, my name is Shitiz Srivastava and this is my video blog. Today I want to talk about depression. A lot of people around me keep telling me that they have depression or nervous breakdown or mental dementia or something like that, or schizophrenia. A lot of people tell me that they have schizophrenia and they don't even know what schizophrenia is. I think they just like to say that they have schizophrenia. But the thing is, depression is not just an easy term or a easy mental thing that can happen to anyone. Depression is a very clinical term. It's a clinical medical term, and if you have depression, you won't be able to get out of it. You have to seek professional counsel or a doctor advice, or you have to there are times when people has to admit in the hospital just to get out of depression. So you are not having depression. If you would have depression, it would continue for such a long time that you would understand that your body is going through a lot of changes. You'll get weak, you won't be able to come out of it, you'll be negative all the time, you'll be sleeping all the time, you have all those symptoms that you can go and Google it. What you are suffering basically is not depression, is not nervous breakdown, is not mental dementia or schizophrenia. What you are suffering is from demotivation. That happens to everyone. It's normal. If you feel demotivated, if you feel negative sometimes, if you feel bad about something sometimes, that's just human. You cannot be happy all the time. You cannot be motivated all the time. You cannot be positive all the time. All these things actually require effort. Humans by nature are negative. Humans by nature are sulky. Humans by nature are tend to see wrong things in their head, and because that's very easy to process the information. That's why they say remain positive, remain positive. Why there are so many books on positivity? Why there are so many books on motivation? Why there are so many books on self-help? I think self-help is the biggest section if you go to any library or a bookshop. Why? Because it requires effort to be positive. It requires effort to be motivated. It requires effort to be inspired. It requires effort to be passionate. Passion is not something that will remain with you if it just comes to you. No, it doesn't. You have to remain passionate about something, and you have to work towards getting passionate even at the time when you think that it's not working. Sometimes it will feel that things are not going your way. You have planned something, you have decided on something, and things are not going the way that you have wanted them to go. That's completely fine. That's how life it is. Life is uncertain. Life is not about you deciding on something and it is happening that way, because that will become a fictional mythological film. That will become like a Harry Potter film. So life is not like that. Life is you plan and you start doing things, and if the things don't go your way, you move on, you plan again, and you keep on doing that, and that's how you get successful. If you have 10 plans and even if the one plan works out, that's even successful. That's very successful. Then most people don't have that. One of my friends recently got very demotivated because he had a lot of plans and nothing was going according to his plan, and he got demotivated, and I had to ask him to write down all the things that were demotivating him. Turned out every single problem of his has a simple solution. Either he has to message someone, apologize to someone, or he has to just talk to someone and ask him to do the work faster, or he has to just go out and start meeting people. So the solutions were very simple, but he was stuck in all those problems because there was too many problems that he has put inside his mind, and he was dwindling between all those problems and not trying to find the solution of those problems. So if you have a lot of problems in your life, that which you think a lot of problems in your life, I would suggest you that you write them down and one by one tackle them instead of just tackling with all the problems at the same time. That will actually motivate you. And one of the things that I use to motivate myself or to gain confidence is that I do something every day that makes it feel achievement, that makes me feel like it's an achievement. So like I will write an article, or I will read a book, I will watch a video or a tutorial video that will make me feel that my day has gone worth. So every day try to go with the little achievements. Don't just waste your day and just like that. So every day you have to do something, because if you're not doing anything, then it becomes a problem for you. Even if you're doing a job, or if you're a freelancer, or someone who just works from home, or you're a creative person who does not have to earn every month, who writes a book or writes a script or screenplay and gets money after 6 months or 7 months or whatever the time limit is. There's a reason that you need little achievements in your life every day to keep yourself motivated, and that's the only reason. And don't start calling yourself depressed or nervous breakdown, because those are not the right terms. And when you keep using those terms, there are chances that eventually you will get into those conditions. So stop using those terms and Try to be happy, and happiness, positivity, motivation, inspiration requires effort. Make that effort every day, just like you take a bath every day, just like you eat food every day. So positivity also requires effort every day. You have to get up, feel gratitude about your life, and think positive whenever. Use auto suggestion. Think and Go Rich. If you have read that book, you will understand what is auto suggestion. Use auto suggestion and change your thoughts as fast as they can. Watch dog videos, watch cute videos, watch all those things. Whatever it takes to change your mind, just do that. But don't be in that state where you are demotivated, not unable to do anything. Just meet someone who is motivating. And if you cannot find anyone, you can come here and comment and message me or email me, and I will respond to you, and I will try to help you to come out of it if you are feeling that way. And also subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon, and we'll meet in my next video. Thank you.